hardworking peeps, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russell and you're here at RJ's Vlog. If bago ka lang sa ating channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. You can also hit the notification bell for you to be updated once we upload new videos. So yun na nga hardworking peeps, this is another video. I just want to share an application from where we can earn money. So this is a home-based job using your mobile application. So kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng trabaho while staying at the comfort of your home, using your internet connection and just your mobile phone, this video is for you. And if you want to know more information about this specific application, please do watch the video until the end. Do not skip as I will be providing necessary information throughout the video. So yun na hardworking peeps, yung gusto kong i-share na application ngayon is a tutoring application. So this is a Chinese tutoring application which is called Palfish. For those ESL or online English teachers, you can also try this because with this specific company, you will just be using your phone and just your internet connection, of course, plus a noise cancelling headset. So let's discuss more about this company. You can be a teacher in this company, Palfish, and teach Chinese kids to teenagers. So there are no joiner fees, so wala kang babayaran if you're going to apply for this specific job. And the only requirements are internet connection, of course, phone, and noise cancelling headset. So regarding the phone specifications for Android phones, you need an Android phone that has at least 3 GB of RAM. For iPhones, your phone model should be models from 2017 and up to the latest. So yung peak hours ng company is between 5:30 PM to 9 PM Beijing time. So same lang ng time dito sa Philippines. Once you get hired, you need to make sure that you open your slots, at least 7 slots during the peak time or peak hours. They are currently hiring Filipino citizens with neutral accent and who are also highly proficient and fluent in the English language. So yun yung mga basic requirements nila, and one strict requirement that you need to comply here is a teaching certificate. You need to show them at least one teaching certificate like TEFL or TEFL, or if you're a teacher here in the Philippines, you can show your teaching or teacher's license from the local government. Kung ang problema mo is your teaching certificate, don't worry guys, kasi I posted a link here sa description from where you can have your teaching certificate. So yung rate dito kay Palfish is ranging from 150 pesos to 268 pesos per hour. So yun lang naman yung mga basic information na kailangan nyo malaman on how you can qualify as a teacher dito kay Palfish. Now, application will just be easy. So you just need to download the Palfish teacher application from Google Play or App Store. So let me guide you with how you can do it. After downloading the application, you need to open the application and then you can see their option to register. Then you will have an option to input your phone number and make sure you have selected your area, which is Philippines. So once you have entered your phone number, you will be sent a verification code from your phone number, and once you have that code, you need to enter that code into the field to verify the code. Once you have verified the code, you will be routed to creating your profile. So first, you need to input your username. And you also need to input your password and click on your location. Enter the validation code if you're referred by someone. And you also need to add your profile picture. Then once you have completed the information, you just need to click on register. Then once you have registered your account, you will see a user agreement and privacy policy. Please make sure that you read that. After you agree to that specific agreement, you will be required to complete information. So you can have an option to do it later. So for now, let's try to do it now. So there, I just want to show you yung mga information na kailangan nyong i-complete. Of course, your name, And you can also see their text intro. You need to make sure that you have your text intro. Then audio intro. For audio introduction, you'll be introducing yourself. I would suggest for you to use Vocal Root to record yourself. Then nationality. Also include the dates from where you started teaching. You can also see there an option to upload the teaching certificate that you have. Then education, work experiences. So technically more on personal information. So yun guys, you just need to fill out the details lang and then you just need to hit on submit. So mararoute na yun kay Palfish and then they will be reviewing your profile and you will be receiving a message through phone or through email on what's the status of your application. And then right after that, you just need to follow the next steps in order to be able to start teaching dito kay Palfish. Yung payment option nila guys is Payoneer. So, if you don't have any Payoneer account, you can create your Payoneer account online. Basically, yun lang lahat ng information na kailangan nyong malaman in applying dito kay Palfish. And if you want to be an online teacher by just using your phone, you can apply to this company. You can start downloading the application and start filling out the application process. Yun lang guys yung video, yung company na gusto kong i-share for today. And I'm hoping that this could help for those aspiring online teachers by just using your phone. If you want to see more videos for work from home or for home-based job videos, you can visit my YouTube channel. You can go to my playlist. I created a playlist there that says home-based jobs. So lahat ng videos natin about home-based jobs, guys, nandun na siya. So you can feel free to watch it. So that will be our video for today. If you're not subscribed yet sa ating channel, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. Thank you so much guys. Bye for now.